This is for the next 24 to 48 hours the most important Bitcoin chart that we have actually to watch here. So and welcome back, guys. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and destroy the like button and also notification bell so that you will never miss out on these important updates. So and without any further ado, we dive directly into the chart because today is a really key important day for the Bitcoin price. So and this is because of this weekly chart here and this yellow line, which is the 200 weekly moving average. So because what we can observe here right now is that the Bitcoin price is trading above the 200 weekly EMA. So but we also have to close above that to stay here in the immediate short term bullish for the Bitcoin price. So because if that is not happening, so then we might be in here for quite a ride here to the downside and could retest this actually a little bit lower. We could actually retest this low area here where the Bitcoin price is slowly coming down like this here to the downside to retest this level if we fail to close above the 200 weekly EMA, which is sitting around $22,900. So when we are looking here at some other charts, and also here we can clearly see that the Bitcoin price is trapped here right now between the 20 and the 50 between the 20 and the 50 exponential moving average. The 20 is here in red and the 50 is here in yellow. So and we can see right now that the Bitcoin price is getting squeezed between both of these moving average indicators. So I'm getting supported from the 20 and pushing here to the upside right now to the 50. For now we got here slightly rejected. On the MACD, however, on the stochastic RSI, however, we're about to get a buy signal. So and that could be the catalyst that we are looking for to break here above the 50 moving average. So and for a potential retest all the way up to the $23,400 level here once again. So and this is right now the most important key area that we have to break here for the Bitcoin price before we see here any substantial move here all the way up to $24,000. So if the Bitcoin price cannot manage to break $23,400, then we would definitely head lower here again. So and the next level that I'm looking at is here the $22,400 level, but the most likely scenario is that we go all the way down to around $21,700 if that might be happening. So you see the next couple of hours are really crucial here for the Bitcoin price. And also before I make here any new trade, after I have discovered this, I'm still waiting on the sideline. I'm waiting right now for $23,400 to break to make here any kind of trade. And yeah, I'm basically sitting on the side and let the market tell me what to do. So I will not try to tell the market what to do. I let the market tell me what I should do. So here we see right now another retest of the 50 moving average. So if we break it by any means to the downside, then also this is a possibility that I'm looking at for a potential short trade. So guys, don't forget, if you want to trade with me together and also want to get free money for this after depositing a small amount on these exchanges, then take advantage of Bybit. There you still get $4,450 in free bonuses only with that specific link. And also on BitGet, you still get $8,000 in free bonuses and 15% discount on the fees with this specific link here, guys. And remember, all these bonuses combines in over $20,000 for free that you can get here only with these links, because only if you use my specific links you will actually get these bonuses. So definitely take advantage of that. So when we are going here to another 4-hourly chart, then we also see something really interesting, and that is that our inverse head and shoulders pattern seems to be playing out for the time being here. So which is obviously nice, but also here we run again into this $23,400 resistance, which is the neckline of that inverse head and shoulders pattern. But if we break the neckline, then the technical target would be $24,600. more or less for the immediate short term. So, and something else that I wanted to point out is that Bitcoin is of course still trading here in this bigger rising wedge, and as long as we are still in this rising wedge, we have to be aware of the possibility that Bitcoin might turn around if we fail to break $23,400 and break $22,400. Then we are definitely going way lower here for the Bitcoin price to, like I said, $21,000, $22,000, because this is still a bearish pattern. So we are of course right now in the more bullish area of that pattern because we are close to the upper resistance of it, but we should not neglect that this is still a bearish pattern, and this can turn really quick on us if we are here in any kind of long positions. So guys, be aware of that. If we break, of course, the neckline and this crucial resistance area of $23,400, then we can open long positions. But yeah, if we by any means here fall out of this inverse head and shoulders pattern and also a break here, the support of the 20 moving average around $23,000, then we should be prepared that we go into lower levels and open some short positions, but we can trade either way. Guys, that's it already for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, let me know in the comments what is your plan of action about Bitcoin here for the immediate short term. And also what price targets you are looking at. I'm really curious what you think, guys. And don't forget, smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and I see you again tomorrow.